Hi, this is Zach with HVACdirect.com, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to buy a new heating and cooling system online. If you're at the very beginning of this process, I know it can be overwhelming, but don't worry. I'll take you through step by step on our website and show you how to do it. Let's go ahead and get started.
First, open your favorite web browser and type in hvacdirect.com. This will open our homepage. Across the top of our page, you'll see a blue bar of categories. Hover over cooling or heating and click on furnace and air conditioning systems. When this category loads, you will see a list of filters down the left side of the page. If you already know what sizing you need, select your tonnage, SEER, BTU, etc. to generate a list of equipment that will fit your home. Above the products on the right, you will see you can also sort by price, best sellers, accessory position, product name, and reviews count. If you're unsure about what size you need, but your current heating and cooling is properly sized, you can use the data sticker to find the information you need to repurchase the same size. If you don't have a data sticker or your system is improperly sized, you can use our sizing guide, Easy System Selector, live chat, or give us a call to get your system properly sized. After you add your system to the cart, you can simply check out and your system will be delivered straight to your door. It really is that easy.
Here at HVACdirect.com, our goal is to make the buying process as easy and simple as possible for you. But if you ever get confused or need some help, please feel free to reach out. Give us a call, send us an email. We'd be more than happy to help you through the process. We have tons of experienced staff members who do this all day, every day, and they can help you get the best results, the most efficient system for the best price. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. If there was a part of the website we didn't touch on that you have questions about, let us know. We'd be happy to make a video. And of course, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification button so you get notified the next time we upload a video. We hope to see you soon.